Orang bule jualan pancake kaki 5 cuma 10 ribuan. Kapan lagi cuma di sini tuh? Bener-bener orang Jerman asli cuy. Can I know when you starting this business?
November.
November last year,
Yeah, last year.
2025.
Yeah. And I was selling also in Ramadan, the whole Ramadan and Akbar.
Jadi pilihannya banyak ya, tapi yang best seller tuh yang pancake coklat sama yang coklat keju.
I not see really pancakes here. Only the like martabak.
Or martabak.
Yeah, it's also good, but
Okay.
it's different than the pancake. I have told my wife, why you not open a business
Oke.
with the
Ya kalau Jerman pancake tuh dia lebih lembut
pancake? And also not so sweet.
dan nggak begitu manis. Punya banyak pilihan topping juga ya, ada coklat, tiramisu, susu dan strawberry. Pokoknya datang ke sini, dia tuh buka dari jam 6 pagi sampai jam 11 siang ya. Nanti alamat lengkapnya kita masukin di bagian kolom deskripsi. Cobain ya, German Pancake House. Pakis bos. Pakis.
Pakis bos.
Wah mantap sih. Adonannya tuh lembut. Di bagian depan tuh kayak ada kayak gosong-gosong gitu, enak deh. Hmm.